So today I'm testing the Supmix 62cc chainsaw with the 20-inch bar. This is freshly cut green wood. Now I had quickly tested starting the chainsaw just prior to this cut. Full choke on. I think it popped within 1 or 2 pulls, and then single pull, sir, right up just like this. I believe this is ash. It was from 2 trees that came down in a storm. It is very green, and this saw just rips these beautiful fluffy chips right out. With the lack of gas in it, started bogging down. This is a little bit longer bar than I'm used to using, even though it's only a 20-inch bar, so I'm just trying to get a feel for it right now. I don't want to be too aggressive in the cut. I just got a little bit of cleanup to finish. Cut through this log. Not the greatest stance to take when cutting through a log, but no harm, no foul. I'll put a link in the description where you can pick up one of these saws.
I didn't put much gas in it. It started to bog down when I tipped it up. But look at those massive fluffy chips. Thing rips pretty good.
At the time of filming, they're actually on sale for a ridiculously low price, so go check it out.